I can't imagine still being in the bus. You know, if not for the guy that came, I was scared because you don't know the level of the water. You don't know if there's a drain somewhere or, so you can't tell. So if not for the guy that asked us to come out, probably I was still be in the bus. And if I'm still in the bus, then I'm not safe. And all of a sudden, the guy just came through the window. He was like, you guys, yeah, knocking on the window. We opened the window. He said we should come out. He's going to carry us on his shoulder all through the water. I was amazed. I was scared because the water kept rising and rising and rising. And the guy was telling us to come out and we should get out on time because it's going to get worse.
This is the baddest area now. There is a lot of flooded areas, but this is the worst one.